So, I'm about to do something that's gonna tick everybody off. I'm about to cut my son's hair. So I got some scissors, some shears, and then I have some clippers. The men in my family are probably gonna be ticked off that I'm gonna go over his head with some clippers. Now I'm not gonna try to give him no edge up or nothing like that. I'm just gonna trim it down so I don't have to pay a whole bunch of money when I get to the barbershop for them to do it. We save money out here. Bruh, we're about to cut all of this off. All of this off. It's too long. Look at that, look how far it goes down. It goes all the way down to his gosh darn elbows. Past his elbows.
Now it goes over there, right? This is what I look like. This is Roblox. This was motion.
Like it.
I like it. Thank you, Mommy.
Okay.
Just cut it.
She said, just cut it. This is the first strands of hair. Put it in our bag.
Squeeze
Put it
it.
in our bag.
Get on it.
Okay.
You're doing great, Mommy.
Thank you. Go ahead, come on. Oh, you did pretty decent. Well, we're gonna show y'all what it looks like when he's done, when he comes back from the barber shop. Okay, you looking nice, you looking nice. And turn around, show on the back. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You look so cute. I like your haircut. Do you like your haircut?
Yeah.
Are you excited to show the kids at school?
Antoine got a haircut.
Antoine did?
Yeah.
Yeah.